How to make the letter T. Okay, let's start with a capital T. Blow up what you want. We're not going to need that. Actually, we can use that so that we don't need to use two balloons. We'll use one balloon in two pieces. Pretty tricky. So if you want to do that, just tie this off and get it as close to the balloon as you can. And I did. I got it right in there. And now we'll cut it right above there with my Magic Tiger scissors. And now we'll blow this up for the top crossbar. Okay. And it'll go up here. So we'll make a pinch twist. We're going to make two pinch twists. One. And now another one. Pull it up and twist it. So we have two pinch twists, and that will hold it into place very, very nicely. I'll twist here and shove it in. That's all you have to do. You don't have to twist it around or anything. It's not like the kids are going to be playing with the T or something like a sword. This is probably for spelling something out. So that's all you have to do. And that's a very nice T. Now I'll make a lowercase t, and that is also quite easy. Take a balloon and blow it up. You don't need the whole thing. Again, we'll do the same thing we did with the uppercase. We're going to tie that off. I hope I didn't put too much air in it, but actually you might need a little more because it's going to go like that. But it's a lowercase, so it doesn't have to be as big. So, any case, let's see. So I'll tie that and shove the knot as close as I can to the balloon using Magic Tiger scissors, which are very important. Blow up the crossbar. And of course, with the lowercase, it goes here instead of up here. You already knew that. Let's do it a different way this time. You saw how I did it before. This time, we're just going to twist these two into themselves. So I just push it in here and twist it like that. It went into itself like that. That will hold, actually. But if you want to give it a little bit more stability, you can put a pinch twist here, like we did for the uppercase. And that holds it a little better. And then, to be judicious, we should do one on the other side to make it symmetrical and hold it both ways properly. Shove that up in there like that. Okay, so now, well, that's a lowercase t, but then if you want that to happen, this balloon is getting a little tight, and it's not going to be so easy to, make the curve without popping it. I could have made this a little shorter and given this more, had less air in it, so we could have shaped it a little better, but we can still do this. Squeeze air out, let it back in, come up here and do the same thing. I'm shaping it. And that's your lowercase and your uppercase T. It's a very happy T. Her arms are going like this. Hey, I'm happy. So happy. If I had made a bigger pinch twist here, that would have helped to hold these down. Well, actually, I can probably just shove it down like this a little bit. Yeah. If you have a bigger pinch twist, you can do more placement because you use the pinch twist to place the balloon, and the bigger the pinch twist is, the more, I guess, area it has that you can use to place with, if that makes sense. If it doesn't matter, don't worry. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much. Next is a U.